Hey there! Welcome to the exciting world of social media marketing. Are you ready to dive into the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of social media marketing? Today, I'm going to give you a comprehensive guide on how to master Facebook and Instagram for your brand. These platforms are essential tools for any marketer. Whether you're promoting a small business, a personal brand, or just want to up your digital game, this guide is tailored for you. First up, let's talk about Facebook. It's a powerhouse in the social media world. With over 2.8 billion users, Facebook is a goldmine for reaching potential customers. Imagine the possibilities. Start by creating a business page. It's free, super easy, and a crucial first step. Go to Facebook, click on Create, and select Page. This will set the foundation for your online presence. Fill in your business name, category, and a brief description. Make sure it's clear and concise. Don't forget to add a profile picture and cover photo that represent your brand. Visuals are the first impression. Next, dive into the About section. This is where you tell people who you are, what you do, and how they can get in touch. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your unique selling points. Now, content is king. Plan your posts to keep your audience engaged. Consistency is key to maintaining interest. Use a mix of images, videos, and text. Diversify your content to keep it fresh and engaging. Facebook's algorithm loves native videos, so upload directly to the platform rather than sharing YouTube links. Engagement is key. Respond to comments and messages promptly. This shows that you value your audience. Facebook rewards active pages with better reach. The more you engage, the more visibility you get. Use Facebook Insights to track your performance. This tool is invaluable for understanding what works and what doesn't. See which posts get the most likes, shares, and comments, and tailor your future content accordingly. Adapt and evolve. Now let's switch gears to Instagram. This platform is all about visual storytelling. It's all about being visually appealing. High-quality images and videos are a must. Start with a business account. This gives you access to analytics and other tools. Go to Settings, select Account, then switch to Professional Account. This is a game changer. Choose a category that fits your business and add your contact info. Make it easy for people to reach you. Instagram thrives on aesthetics. Use high-quality images and videos. Consistency is crucial. Your feed should tell a cohesive story. Stick to a color scheme or theme that represents your brand. This creates a recognizable and professional look. Don't forget to use stories and reels. These features are great for engaging your audience in different ways. They're great for behind-the-scenes content and quick updates. Show the human side of your brand. Hashtags are your best friends on Instagram. They expand your reach and help new users find your content. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags. This strategy helps you reach a broader yet targeted audience. Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but keep it relevant. Don't overdo it. Engage with your audience, like, comment, and share user-generated content. This builds a sense of community and loyalty. This builds a community around your brand. People love to feel connected and valued. Use Instagram Insights to understand your audience. This data is crucial for refining your strategy. Check out which posts perform best and when your followers are most active. Timing can make a big difference. So, there you have it, the basics to get you started on Facebook and Instagram. Remember, these are just the basics. There's always more to learn and explore. Social media marketing is all about being authentic and engaging. People can tell when you're genuine. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll see your efforts pay off. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering social media marketing. See you next time. Planning is crucial. Create a content calendar to stay organized. This helps you maintain consistency and quality. Utilize social media management tools to schedule posts and track performance. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can be lifesavers. Engagement is key. Always interact with your followers. This builds trust and loyalty. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. The social media landscape is always changing. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Influencers can introduce your brand to new audiences. Consider running ad campaigns to boost your visibility. Ads can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Analyze your ad performance to optimize future campaigns. Look at what works and what doesn't. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Every experience is a learning opportunity. And that's a wrap. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be on your way to social media success. Thanks for watching and happy marketing. Remember, the journey of mastering social media is ongoing. Keep pushing forward and stay creative. Welcome to Chapter 2, Detailed Strategies for Facebook Marketing. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to dive deeper into the strategies that can elevate your Facebook marketing game. In this chapter, we'll cover audience targeting, ad creation, and performance analysis. First, let's talk about audience targeting. One of Facebook's most powerful features is its advanced targeting options. You can create highly specific audiences based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. Start by accessing the Audience Insights tool in Facebook Ads Manager. This tool provides valuable data about your potential audience. Use it to tailor your marketing efforts to reach the right people. Next, let's move on to ad creation. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Each format has its unique advantages. For example, carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple products or features in a single ad. Video ads, on the other hand, are excellent for storytelling and capturing attention. When creating your ads, make sure to include a clear call to action. This encourages users to take the next step, whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Now let's talk about performance analysis. Monitoring your ad performance is crucial for optimizing your campaigns. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track key metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rate, and conversion rate. This data helps you understand what works and what doesn't. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad creatives, targeting options, and bidding strategies. A/B testing is a great way to compare different approaches and find the most effective ones. Remember, successful Facebook marketing requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Join Facebook marketing groups, follow industry blogs, and participate in webinars. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media marketing. That wraps up Chapter 2. With these detailed strategies, you're well on your way to mastering Facebook marketing. Stay tuned for more insights in our next chapter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering social media marketing. See you next time. Welcome to Chapter 3. Detailed strategies for Instagram marketing. In this chapter, we'll focus on Instagram marketing strategies, including content creation, hashtag usage, and engagement techniques. First, let's dive into content creation. Instagram is a visual platform, so high-quality images and videos are essential. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually appealing content. Don't forget about Instagram Stories and Reels. These features are great for sharing behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, and quick updates. Consistency is key, so develop a content calendar to keep your posts regular and timely. Next, let's talk about hashtag usage. Hashtags are crucial for increasing your content's reach. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags to target a broader yet relevant audience. Tools like Hashtagify and RightTag can help you find the best hashtags for your content. Remember, Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but it's best to use 5-10 highly relevant ones to avoid looking spammy. Now let's move on to engagement techniques. Engaging with your audience is vital for building a loyal community. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Use Instagram's interactive features like polls, questions, and quizzes in stories to encourage interaction. Collaborate with influencers or other brands to expand your reach and credibility. Monitoring your performance is just as important on Instagram as it is on Facebook. Use Instagram Insights to track metrics like follower growth, engagement rate, and reach. This data will help you understand what type of content resonates with your audience and how to optimize your strategy. Finally, stay updated with the latest Instagram trends and features. Instagram frequently rolls out new updates, and being an early adopter can give you a competitive edge. Join Instagram marketing communities, follow industry experts, and participate in online courses and webinars. That wraps up Chapter 3. With these detailed strategies, you're well on your way to mastering Instagram marketing. Stay tuned for more insights in our next chapter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering social media marketing. See you next time. Welcome to Chapter 4, Case Studies and Real-World Examples. In this chapter, we will explore successful social media marketing campaigns on Facebook and Instagram, analyzing what made them successful and how you can apply these lessons to your own campaigns. First, let's look at a Facebook campaign by the clothing brand Patagonia. Patagonia ran a campaign focused on environmental activism, encouraging users to take action against climate change. They used powerful imagery and compelling stories to capture attention. Their posts were not only visually stunning but also emotionally resonant, making their audience feel part of a larger movement. The key takeaway here is the importance of aligning your brand with a cause that resonates with your audience. Authenticity and emotional connection can significantly boost engagement. Next, we have a case study from Instagram, the Shot iPhone campaign by Apple. This user-generated content campaign encouraged iPhone users to share their best photos taken with their device, using the hashtag #ShotOnlyPhone. Apple then featured the best photos on their official Instagram account. This campaign not only showcased the quality of the iPhone camera but also built a community of loyal users who felt recognized and appreciated. The lesson here is to leverage user-generated content to create a sense of community and authenticity around your brand. Now, let's examine a cross-platform campaign by the fitness brand Nike. Nike's You Can't Stop Us campaign was launched on both Facebook and Instagram, featuring a powerful video montage of athletes overcoming challenges. The campaign was timely, addressing the global pandemic and social justice movements, making it highly relevant and impactful. Nike used a mix of paid ads and organic posts to reach a wide audience, and they encouraged user interaction by asking followers to share their own stories of resilience. The success of this campaign highlights the importance of timing, relevance, and cross-platform consistency. Finally, let's discuss a smaller scale but equally effective campaign by a local bakery. This bakery used Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content, showcasing their baking process and the people behind the brand. They also ran a Facebook contest where followers could win a free cake by sharing their favorite bakery memory. This campaign not only increased engagement but also built a strong connection with their local community. The takeaway here is that even small businesses can create impactful campaigns by being authentic and engaging with their audience on a personal level. These case studies demonstrate that successful social media marketing campaigns are built on authenticity, emotional connection, relevance, and community engagement. By analyzing these examples and applying these principles, you can create your own impactful campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. That concludes Chapter 4. We hope these real-world examples have inspired you and provided valuable insights for your social media marketing strategy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering social media marketing. See you next time. Welcome to Chapter 5, Tools and Resources. In this chapter, we will provide you with a comprehensive list of tools and resources that can help elevate your social media marketing efforts. From scheduling tools to analytics platforms and content creation apps, we've got you covered. Let's start with scheduling tools. Managing multiple social media accounts can be overwhelming, but tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Later can make it easier. These platforms allow you to schedule posts across different social media channels, ensuring a consistent online presence without the daily hassle. Next up, analytics platforms. Understanding your audience and measuring the performance of your campaigns is crucial. Tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Instagram Analytics provide in-depth data to help you track engagement, reach, and conversions. These insights can guide your strategy and help you make informed decisions. When it comes to content creation, having the right apps can make a world of difference. Canva and Adobe Spark are user-friendly design tools that allow you to create stunning visuals without any graphic design experience. For video content, consider using tools like Animoto or InShot, which offer easy-to-use editing features to create professional-looking videos. Let's not forget about social listening tools. Platforms like Sprout Social and Brandwatch enable you to monitor conversations about your brand, track mentions, and analyze sentiment. This can help you stay on top of trends and respond to your audience in real time. Lastly, collaboration tools can streamline your workflow, especially if you're working with a team. Tools like Trello, Asana, and Slack facilitate project management, task assignment, and communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. These tools and resources are designed to simplify your social media marketing efforts, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content and building connections with your audience. By incorporating these tools into your strategy, you can enhance your efficiency and effectiveness, ultimately driving better results. That wraps up Chapter 5. We hope you found this list of tools and resources helpful. If you have any favorite tools that we didn't mention, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media marketing insights. See you in the next chapter. Welcome to Chapter 6, Final Tips and Best Practices. In this final chapter, we will share some final tips and best practices for social media marketing on Facebook and Instagram, ensuring you have all the information you need to succeed. First, let's talk about the importance of consistency. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and helps you stay relevant. Create a content calendar and stick to it. This will not only keep you organized but also ensure that your content is strategically planned and aligns with your goals. Next, always engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Show your followers that you value their input and appreciate their support. Engaging with your audience builds trust and fosters a sense of community. Another key tip is to use high-quality visuals. Whether it's photos, videos, or graphics, ensure that your content is visually appealing. People are naturally drawn to eye-catching visuals, so invest time in creating or sourcing high-quality images and videos. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, and success stories. Storytelling humanizes your brand and creates an emotional connection with your audience. Leverage the power of hashtags. On both Facebook and Instagram, hashtags can increase your reach and visibility. Use relevant and trending hashtags to make your content discoverable to a broader audience. However, avoid overloading your posts with too many hashtags. A few well-chosen ones can be more effective. Utilize the analytics tools we discussed in the previous chapter to measure your performance. Regularly review your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Use these insights to refine your strategy and improve your results. Experiment with different types of content. From live videos and stories to polls and quizzes, variety keeps your audience engaged and interested. Don't be afraid to try new formats and see how your audience responds. Lastly, stay updated with the latest trends and changes in the social media landscape. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are constantly evolving. Staying informed about new features, algorithms, and best practices will keep you ahead of the curve. That wraps up Chapter 6 in our series on social media marketing for Facebook and Instagram. We hope these tips and best practices will help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media with confidence. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and dedication, you can achieve great results. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this series helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy marketing.